So now it's starting. We are in the reading, so English reading. Okay. So there we have got some pre-reading questions. Have you ever gone on an expedition? Where did you go? What did you do there? Did you enjoy there? Did you learn any new thing there? Okay, these are the pre-reading questions, the pre-reading issues. Come on, students, you can take a few minutes and then you express your view on these points. Expedition means that is for certain purpose. If you go in a group, especially from school and your class, if it is some teachers, especially social studies teachers, or it's like teachers, if they have taken you somewhere else to learn something, that is also a sort of expedition. So have you ever gone on an expedition? Where did you go? What did you do there? Did you enjoy there? Did you learn any new thing there? So come on, I will take one or two students to have to express your views on this. Come on, students. Anyone can take part in this slide. If a student yourself, then would be better. Come on. Are you studying me?
Yes, sir.
Your view on this?
Okay, sir. Yes, I have gone on an expedition from the schools. We went in Kasara in 2077, 10, 12. We had observed some crocodile museums and tortoise museums there. We enjoyed the sights and learned about the crocodiles uh, uh, crocodiles' hair times, their bone time, and their species.
So you learned about crocodiles. Good. So is there anybody next like this? One more I'll be taking. Come on, come on. Be free and frank to discuss. Khushi, your opinion on it? Khushi Dura. Quick. Won't take a long time. Khushi Dura, aren't you there? Come on, come on, come on, quick. Reshma? Reshma Kumari?
Yes, sir.
Yes, your view. Come on.
Yeah, I have gone on a explanation. I have gone on CG.
Yes, yes.
I have learned many things about the historical things about CG. It express about like there's
Okay. Thank you very much. So this like everybody very much curious should be there and then immediately should respond. Instead of I call the name, if from your side if comes, that would be very good for this like activities. That's okay. Now we are going further. So answer these questions. Okay, after reading the text given below, first you will get the questions. Where is Godavari located? And what did the students do there? And what did Srijana do after they returned to school? Okay, these three questions everybody take. So now topic is already you have got that a visit to Godavari. A team of students has visited Godavari, and some of them were not able to go. They were not able to join the expedition. So this happens sometimes whenever you go somewhere else. Also, all of your friends may not be there. Then those who were absent and can get the information from those who had been. Same thing is here. Here is also conversation. The students are asking, and then the one of the students who has visited, is answering them. So you need to read and answer the questions. So grade 8 students of Kharga Lakshmi Secondary School, Kharga Lakshmi School, that is, they went for a visit to Godavari in Lalitpur district. Okay, they went to visit Godavari. Okay, so this is in Lalitpur district. They studied about many plants there and enjoyed the scenic beauty. They studied about many plants there and they enjoyed the scenic beauty, the scene, natural scene, scenery, the beauty, scenic beauty was there and they enjoyed. When they returned to school, and Srijana, the leader of the visiting team, while visiting somewhere else also the team must be there, leader must be there, like that. And leader of the visiting team answered the questions asked by the students who were unable to attend the trip. Okay, I already told you some of the students were not able. So the unable students, they asked to her. So you can get the answers to this question from this small paragraph. Where is Godavari located?
Godavari is located in Lalitpur district, guys.
Okay, Godavari is located in Lalitpur district. Okay, Godavari is located. Okay, uh, that is located is to be said. If you say Godavari is in Lalitpur, this way also it's okay. Godavari is located in Lalitpur district. You can say good. So remember that every student must write question answers, actively participate and do this. Okay. What did the students do there?
These students learn about many plants there and enjoy its scenery beauty.
Okay. Yes, the students studied about many plants and enjoyed its scenic beauty. Okay. Studied. Main focus was there to study many plants, different kind of plants were there, and to study this. And at the same time, they enjoyed the scenic beauty also. That's why the students studied about many plants there and enjoyed its scenic beauty. Likely, what did Srijana do after they returned to school?
When they returned to school, Sirjana was the leader of visiting team, answered the question asked by the student who were unable to attend the trip.
Good, very good. Uh, After they returned to school, Srijana answered the questions asked by the students who were unable to attend the trip. Very good answer. So good participation. Uh, so by the way, I want somebody to read. Okay, Safalta Tiwari.
Yes, sir.
Okay, on your video and read this paragraph.
Grade 8 students of Khatga Lakshmi School went for a visit to Godavari in Lalitpur district. They studied about many plants there and enjoyed its scenic beauty. When they returned to school, Srijana, the leader of the visiting team, answered the questions asked by the students who were unable to attend the trip.
Okay, good. Thank you very much. Okay, we'll move further. So again, there you'll see the questions. What makes Godavari beautiful? What is the additional sight to see in Godavari? Name the trees found there. How many species of butterflies are found in Godavari? Okay, so everybody get these 4 questions. Okay, get these 4 questions, and then the text after this. So I have already told you it's in the conversation form. So one of the student who was unable to go there, Binod, tell us something interesting about Godavari. And now Srijana is telling this, giving the answer to this question. So Godavari is a beautiful place situated at the base of a hill full of exotic and local plant varieties. Okay, Godavari is a beautiful place situated at the base of a hill. From there, the hill starts, the base of hill. Okay, and how is it? It's full of exotic and local plant varieties. Exotic means that are from other part, other foreign. Exotic means in another word you can say foreign or not local. Okay, and local also, and the plants, the variety of plants are they are taken from other places. You know, this can be found there. Okay, so local plant varieties from very beginning. What sort of plants were there? These were also there, and the plants which are suitable to this climate are taken from other part of the country or other part of the world also even. So these are exotic for this. Okay, the advanced one, exotic ones. So the fern and orchid houses, fern houses, orchid houses, these are the plants and the flowers are very popular there. These are very popular. The Japanese garden, garden, named Japanese garden, which is in the northwestern part of the area, is also a sight to see. Japanese garden in the northwestern part of the area is also sight to see. This lush green is the home of many plants. This lush green, lush this wet land, a bit the fertile land. So this region is the home of many plants. There are four types of oak trees with their leaves remaining green all the year round. Their leaves remaining green all the year round. In addition, rhododendron, wild walnuts, dark chestnuts, and Himalayan maples. And Himalayan maples are other species found in this garden. As its climate is subtropical, the climate is subtropical. More than 529 species of butterflies and plants are found in Godavari. So this way, she is giving the answer to the questions asked by Binod. Okay, so now from this text, you can answer the questions there. What makes Godavari beautiful? Anybody can answer?
The base of a hill full of exotic and local plant varieties makes the Godavari beautiful.
Okay, you can. So what makes, so the answer should be in the beginning that we talked. Okay, the base of a hill full of exotic and local plant varieties. This way are uh, exotic and local plant varieties. Only that also you can say exotic, the exotic and the local plant varieties make makes, that is, and then present tense. That's why there are two exotic and local plants varieties. That's why make exotic and local plant varieties make Godavari beautiful. You can say from the text this is. What is the additional sight to see in Godavari? Somebody next can tell the answer.
The Japanese garden
Rhododendrons,
species in the
dark
northwest
shades,
corner of the area is
and
also
Himalayan and butterflies and plants that are found in Godavari is the additional site to see in the Godavari.
Hmm. Okay. So the site, additional site to see, that additional site we say. So that's why there you need to talk about this Japanese garden. Okay. The Japanese garden in the northwestern part of the area is the additional site to see in Godavari. This way you answer, please. Okay. The Japanese garden, okay, in the northwestern part of the area is the additional site to see in Godavari. And another name the trees found there. Another question is there. Trees names. There are some names of the trees. You can name them.
rhododendrons, wild walnuts, dark chestnuts, and Himalayan maples are the trees found there.
Yeah, are some of the trees found there. Good. How many species of butterflies are found in Godavari?
More than 529 species of butterflies and plants are found in Godavari.
Yeah, more than 529 species of butterflies and are found in Godavari. Butterflies only is asked that. That's why. So sometimes what happens is that in the text there can be more than that also. But what is asked in the question, particularly that information only pick up and make the answer. Okay. So some of you may say that butterflies and plants are found in Godavari. Like this you may write, but it's not that. How many species of butterflies found in Godavari? Then only that. Yeah? What is asked there? That much only the answer should be. Okay. By now you must have got the answers. And anyway, this takes. I want somebody.
So may I recite it?
Okay, Sirin Cornell, are you there? Sirin Cornell, come on. There must be immediate
Yes, sir.
response. Yes, on your video and read the screen. Quick, don't take a long time. Quickly on your video and read the screen. Come on, Sirin. Sarvani, please, you go on.
Dino, tell us something interesting about the Godavari. Sirjana. Godavari is a beautiful place situated at the base of a hill full of exotic and local plant varieties. The fern and orchid houses are very popular. The Japanese garden, which is in the northwestern part of the area, is also a sight to see. This loose region is the home for many plants. There are four types of oak trees with their leaves remaining green all the year round. In addition, rhododendrons, wild walnuts, dark chestnuts, and Himalayan maples are other species found in this garden. As its climate is subtropical, more than 529 species of butterflies and plants are found in Godavari.
Good. Thank you very much. Now we are moving to the next. I don't think we'll be able to do all this. However, uh, what were the students asked to do after they return from their expedition? What happens there in April and May? What can one study about butterfly in Godavari? Okay, these are the questions. We take the questions. And one of the students, Mamata, asked a question to her, to the leader of the trip. So, did you have to write about what you observe in Godavari? Is the question she asked. Yes, of course. We are asked to write a short report on Godavari. On Godavari's butterflies and animals. In April and May, butterflies, many of them with gleaming swallows tails, gleaming swallow tails. Their tails, the description of tail, gleaming, shining, that is, swallow tails. Uh, flock around beautiful flowers. They flock around, flowers in the flower to flower. They fly. It's like they flock. They flock around beautiful flowers. Godavari is a shelter for over 100 species of butterflies, ranging from drab beaks to blue peacocks. Okay, so this way she is answering the question. So please you can make the answers. What were the students asked to do after they returned from their expedition?
The student asked to do after. Sorry, sir.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Right. Anybody next? Come on, quick.
The students asked to write a short report on Godavari's the beauty butterflies and animals.
Okay, simply what can you say is that the students were asked to write short reports on Godavari's butterflies and animals. After they returned from their expedition, also you can add there, no matter. So the students were asked to write a short report on Godavari's butterflies and animals after they returned from their expedition. Good. What happens there in April and May? Anybody please?
In April and May, butterflies, many of them with gleaming swallowtails, flock around beautiful flowers.
Okay, simply you can say in April and May, okay, the butterflies flock around beautiful flowers. You can say this way, okay, flock around beautiful flowers. So many of them with gleaming swallow tails, that is additional information there. How are they? That they flock around beautiful flowers with their gleaming swallowtails. If you add that at last also you can add that. Okay. What can one study about butterfly in Godavari? What can you study? Come on, you can. What can one study about butterfly in Godavari? Okay, Aish, please come on, go on.
One can study 100 species of butterflies and ranking from drab beaks to the blue peacocks in the Godavari.
Okay. One can study over 100 species of butterflies. Okay. Uh, that is, but about butterfly in Godavari is asked there. Something more information it requires. So one can study. Okay, one can study about the butterfly and their uh, life cycle. Okay, of more than 100 species of butterflies ranging from drab beaks to blue beaks. Okay, about them, butterfly. So about butterfly, what? Their shelter, they are there, and what activities they do. This everything can be studied by taking long time. That's why the question is asking, what can one study about butterfly in Godavari? One can study about their habitation. That's why the life cycle, you can say, from birth to the end of the day. All things can be studied there. So one can study the life cycle of butterfly. Uh, Over 100 species of butterflies, you can hear that in Godavari. So this way, short answer you make. I think we consumed today's time. We ran out of time. Remaining part will be dealing next day. Uh, Students, thank you for your participation. I'm now ending the meeting.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye.
Okay,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye bye. Have a nice